Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see the very famous North Indian drink Thandai. Soak a pinch of saffron in water for about 15 minutes. Set this aside and take a cup of water. To this add 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 4 to 5 cloves and 1 crushed cardamom. Keep it on the flame, let this boil for about 5 to 8 minutes. By that time, we'll get ready with the nuts. This is around 15 almonds. I have already soaked them in water for about 10 hours. Peel the skin and put it in a bowl. To this add around 25 to 30 pistas, 8 to 10 cashew nuts, quarter cup of melon seeds, quarter cup of raisins and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. To this filter and add the fennel water. Make sure the water is hot. Now let this rest for an hour. After 1 hour, transfer this into the mixie jar and grind it into a fine paste. You can either use the paste as it is or you can filter it and add it. To this add 3 cups of boiled and chilled milk. As because we are adding raisins, the drink will have a light sweetness even without sugar, but you can add around 3 tablespoons of sugar if needed. At this stage, add the saffron water and give a nice mix. Refrigerate this and serve chill. You can also add some ice cubes while serving. So here our Thandai is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.